47 eastbound, it's a blue and white sports bike, no tag. Single male occupant. Speeds are 140. Speeds are 120, light traffic, he's well ahead of me. He's probably going over 140. I got caught behind a semi-truck. We're just past the 48 eastbound. It's moderate traffic. Speeds are over 100.
48 eastbound.
You at that PD now? I don't have sign of it right now.
In the pursuit by the 48 eastbound.
10-4.
Just past that 50 eastbound. Speeds are 130.
Turning in a vehicle like sports bike with no tags, passing the 50.
Speeds are 130 light traffic. Passing the 51.
Here at the 51.
10-4, they lost sight at the time.
Correction, 52 eastbound. I'm getting caught up behind traffic.
10-4, 52.
What was the description?
He hasn't made it to the 55 yet.
For the blue and white sports bike with no tag.
Definitely.
10-4.
J26 bar, so I'm in a 1022. I've lost some visual.
Copy, 1022 on visual. Car 4 unit 1054, net clear. Zero on traffic.
He's taking the 55.
He's down, I'm on the ramp, he's on the ramp.
Put your hands up, put your hands up. Lay down on the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
Ten 15.
Legs in.
You got any felonies?
No, sir.
Well, you're a felon now. Yep, you're a felon now, man. Was it worth it?
I knew I was going to get pulled over.
If you'd run like hell.
I was just gonna give you a speed ticket, man. It's 140, but now you're gonna be a felon. Where's your driver's license at?
You'll have to reach up underneath my hoodie. It's in my inner jacket. Or wait, it might have been in the front left pocket. Front left pocket, not my jeans pocket.
Right here?
Yes, sir. There's a slim wallet in there.
You got any guns on you?
No.
28.
Is it in there?
Yep, I got it. Big damage to your car?
Nah, you just tried to do what I did.
Okay.
Tell him I'll give you a call.
Why are you running, man?
I was knew I was going to lose my license. There's a red buckle.
You're not gonna get away from the Arkansas State Police, man.
I know it's stupid. It was just like a split-second decision. I was like, fuck.
Can I just take it off now?
Yeah, it's pretty tight. You'll just have to pull it. That's all good.
So you're running because you didn't want to lose your license. Is that what you're saying?
I know I've got a lot of points on my license. I know if I got another ticket, I would.
I'm gonna give these cuffs back to the other trooper because I was the one that tried to pull you over. Can you give those to Smothers for me?
Yep.
Thank you. Okay, come on, we're gonna have a seat in the passenger seat.